Hello everyone. I'll show you guys a quick example of how to upload a web page to the Eustis server today. So this is one that I have already made and uploaded back when I took the CGS 1060 class. So I'm going to use that one for today. But the first thing you want to do is download a couple programs. Those programs include FileZilla as well as PuTTY. So you'll see them right here on my screen. You also want to have already had your web page made and named underscore index.html. So that should be the file name. So I have mine right here. The first thing we're going to do is go into PuTTY, and we're going to type in eustis.eecs.ucf.edu. Make sure you have SSH as the connection type and port 22 selected, and hit open. Login as is going to be your NID. And your password is actually going to be P and then the year, capital P, and then the year, month, date that you were born in this order. So this is the format for it. So for example, January 5th, 1989 birthday would be capital P 890105. So I'm going to go ahead and type in mine, and you'll notice as I'm typing, it's not actually moving the green cursor. Your screen's not frozen. It's not that it's not working. It's just it's kind of like an encryption thing, I guess. So hit enter, and it should log you in, and it does, so that's good. If it doesn't log in for you, it's because you're not on campus, on one of the lab computers, or you are not connected to the UCF VPN. So you can Google UCF VPN, and it'll have a website listed that will take you through the steps to get the VPN on your computer if you need to. So anyway, once you're logged in, you're going to type homepage setup, one word, like so. Hit enter, and you should get something that comes up. Mine looks a little different than yours will, just because mine is already created, so it's kind of telling me that these things already exist. But for you, it's going to create some files, and it should tell you that you're good to go. So once you're good to go, type log out, one word, hit enter, and it'll close PuTTY for you. So the next thing you want to do is open up FileZilla. When you get into FileZilla here, you're going to go to File and Site Manager. I've already created mine here, but what you want to do is you want to click the New Site button right here, and for the host, you want to type in eustis.eecs.ucf.edu, like so. Change the protocol to SFTP, logon type to normal, and then you're going to do your NID and that same password format again. So once again, that's P, capital P, and the year, month, and date you were born. Once you have it in there, hit connect. You should get all green text up at the very top there. If anything comes up red, that's usually not a good thing. So make sure it's connected, and a bunch of things will open up here on the right side too. So in this box right here, you want to double click the public underscore HTML file folder, and you should see an index.html in there already. So that's a dummy website. It's just like a false website that's put in there as a placeholder, if you will. So all you need to do is right click and delete that one. I'm going to leave mine in there though, since it's already created and in there, so I don't need to do any of that. But for you, you want to delete yours, and you want to navigate to where your index.html file is stored in your computer. So for me, it's on my desktop, so I'm going to click desktop up here, and it shows up right there. And all you need to do is click and drag it over, and once you do that, you'll be good to go. So go to the website, check it, make sure it loads. So the website's going to be eustis.eecs.ucf.edu/tilde mark, and then whatever your NID is. So it's mine, for instance, and your web page should be there. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.